give you all the glory.
We are convinced that it will benefit the union at under 16 and under 18 level. They're attending the Rhino Weeks regionally and provincially, interprovincial.
2023 Rhino Week Blue Bulls under 15 development side. Number 1, O'Brien Mashonganyika. Fellow Matlake. Number 10, Vian Pretorius. Number 11, Kale Pinar. Number 12, Mayor Pretorius. Number 13, Dylan Stumka. Number 14, Rowan Mwanza. Number 15, Ritabile Machoa. Number 16, O'Neill Fisser.
Pleased to announce for the first time ever the Under 15 Rhino Week 18. The coaching staff, myself, backline coach, forward coach, Coach Lisu Langman, our team manager, MV Arlo, and our SNC, Eva Grubier. Bulls in making the squad. Number 1, Isikle Muslangu. Number 2, Owaking Rametsi. Number 3, Xavier Creer. Number 4, nummer 9, Furie Roberts. Nummer 10.
Petrus Rautenbach, onze vice captain. Dan Tasten. Daniel Mzuzu.
Die VKB onder 17 span se hoofafrigter meneer Willem van der Merwe.
I'd first like to announce our management team, starting with our assistant coach, Renier de Villiers, forward. Number 5, George Swart. Number 6, Sanwani Mfuna. Our captain, number 7, Manting Aman. Number 9, Hendrey Skuman. Number 10, Egan Rue. 12, Ivan van Aswegen. Number 13, Tumedu Moale. Number 14, Tapiwa Ruafa. Number 15, Kiran Krots.
Thank you, Pete. Last year I was introduced as the beloved president and one disappointing season. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. It's a huge privilege for me to be here tonight. To say that this boys and this teams is part of our ecosystem is an understatement. It's one of the most important tools we have in terms of developing the game, identifying talent and giving boys opportunities. So first of all, boys, from the Blue Bull side, I want to congratulate you on being selected for the team. So let's give them a round of applause. There's no doubt that you are representing one of the proudest unions, not only in South Africa, but in the world, one of the biggest rugby brands around, been around for 85 years. So that jersey and that logo represents a lot. You'll be playing with exactly the same kit as the senior professional teams. That once again just emphasize how important you are to us. I also would like to take this opportunity to thank the parents. I know the money, the effort, the time that you put into your boys, at least it seems to be paying off, and once you get a contract he must remember you. But thank you very much. Ek het nooit daar vir 'n klomp seuns gesê, as jy nou vanaand by die huis kom seun, dan gaan jy na jou ma toe. Dan gaan sê jy vir haar dankie. Dankie dat sy vir jou altyd 'n toebroodjie gemaak het en skouer was om op te huil en jou rugby trui gewas het. Bedank jy haar vir al die dinge. En as jy daar klaar is, dan gaan jy na jou pa toe. Dan sê jy vir hom dankie dat hy jou ma gekies het. Rugby mothers is special. They're very special. I also would like to take this opportunity to thank the leadership of the Blue Bulls High Schools Association, Mr. Henry Verstern and the rest of his team. The organisasie is maar so sterk soos wat die jockey is. And Henry is doing a brilliant job, great leadership. It's run like a well-oiled machine. And I think since we introduced the elite squads, Henry, 3-4 years ago, we've been playing in the final of every Craven Week since. So definitely great strategies and great decisions that was made. And I'm looking forward to this year's teams as well. At every level, especially at Craven Week, I will go down to George as well. Like I said, we're a proud brand and we like to be related with excellence. I also would like to thank Henry, all the other coaches and managers involved. Guys, thanks for the work you're doing. I can promise you, parents, I go all over the world, probably for the exception of New Zealand. There's no other place in the world where those people do this type of job for free. We are really still blessed in South Africa in terms of the quality of teachers, quality of coaching, and the quality of effort that those people put in. So let's give them a round of applause as well. Ja, ek dink dis dit van my kant af, dames en here. Ek hartlik uitgenooi. Can't play rugby if you can't work together in a team situation. It's actually all the values that we need to make this society and this country work. So not only are we developing young rugby players, but hopefully we're also developing great citizens for this country, because we're going to need you. We need leaders in this country on every level. That's sometimes what we lack on, not only in South Africa, but probably on the continent. We need to develop leaders. You are a leader. Jy's 'n hero. Dis al reeds 'n hero. Wat nou vir jou boetie is of vir jou sussie is of ek was my ouma se hero. Dis iemand se hero. En as jy 'n hero is, dan moet jy daarvolgens optree en jy moet daarvolgens lewe. And then the last thing, boys, remember, you're ambassadors for the Mighty Bulls, on and off the field. When you represent the Vodacom Bulls, the Blue Bulls High Schools on the 18 Craven Week and on the 17, on the 15 teams, you are an ambassador for this proud union. So tree se op, maak ons trots, maak julle ouers trots, luister na julle onderwysers, luister na die afrigters. And remember, there's boys out there that's not in this teams, representative teams. And I can tell you, at the Vodacom Bulls, we have 3 boys that did not like Craven Week rugby. Marcel Coetzee became a Springbok. Kainan Moody, 2 years ago, he became a Springbok, 2 years out of school. Roan Orkee, Wonderboom Hoërskool, ook Craven Week rugby, became a Springbok. Daar's hongerseuns daar buite. So jy het nog nie gearriveer nie. Jy's in die binnebaan, maar jy het nog nie gearriveer nie. Gebruik hierdie geleentheid. What do they say? They say hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Talent is nie goed genoeg nie. You must put in the effort as well. But good luck. Enjoy the weeks.
'23 Grand Coma team. Number 1, Shiloh Beaton. Number 2, Vutali Matsila. Number 3, Dion Botes. Number 4, Daniel Malakia. Number 5, Christian De Wet. Number 6, Tabiso Mbembele. Number 7, Albert Smith. Number 8, and Vice Captain, Stefan McDonald. Number 9, Zerk Meyer.
Aiden King. 21, Stefan Fritz. 22, Roep.
Meneer Willem Strauss, meneer Jan de dat die lente van ons die Craven weer aankondig. Weer gaan ons op het verhoog.
Hello, my name is Randy Mzungu. I'm a male, 17. I made the Academy Week for Blue Bulls. I'm on the bench, number 17. And the reason why I started playing rugby is just honestly the fun of the game. I honestly love playing the game. I love all the hard hits, the hard running, the hard work that I have to put into play. So yeah, that's the reason why I'm playing rugby. How do I feel? It feels like I don't know, it feels like surreal, honestly. Like, I can't believe it's happening. Because I remember last year seeing everyone there, it made me feel some certain way, so I had to like put in the hard work. And I'm glad that the hard work eventually paid off. That's obviously like a dream of mine to play Springbok, but I feel like just playing rugby, like provincially, maybe even with a team, I think that would be the ultimate dream. I feel like there's like hidden gems in Congo because Congolese men, especially, very tough for this game. So I feel like they'll thrive in this game of rugby. So I would encourage it to anyone there in Congo to come and play rugby. They're big, strong, tall. Yeah, I'd encourage every Congolese person to come and play rugby. It's a fun game. It's going to be tough, but it's enjoyable. Hello, Papa. Thank you so much for all the sacrifices that you made. I'm going to be trying my best just to make you proud.
I appreciate every minute that every coach puts in. This goes without additional pay. And others options, you are welcome to come and take individual photos of yourself and your family and your player. That is it. We have wrapped it up in less than an hour. May we all be blessed. Thank you very much.